These are instructions for the Strutmasters rear strut conversion installation for the Mercedes S430. Year models 1999 through 2006. Always exercise extreme caution when working in close proximity to your back glass. First, locate the rear strut access panel. Remove the access panel using a flathead screwdriver. Use a razor blade to remove any sound barrier material that may obstruct access to the strut, and lift up and remove the rear strut controller. Now remove the nuts from the upper rear strut using a 13mm socket. An open-end wrench is required to gain access to the outer nut. Remember that safety is always an issue. Always have the vehicle safely secured on jacks before removing the rear wheel. A jack should be placed under the control arm to remove the pressure from the 21mm bolt that attaches the back strut. A 21mm socket and wrench is required for removal of the back strut bolt. Use a 13mm wrench to remove the ride height sensor arm from the rear control arm. Removing the arm needs to be done to avoid breaking the ride height sensor. A 12mm torx bit and an 18mm wrench is required for removal of the rear control arm. Use a 21mm wrench and a 9/16 wrench to remove the hub bolt from the rear control arm. Don't forget to loosen the inner control arm bolt using an 18mm wrench. Now lower the jack that's under the control arm and pull out on the outer hub assembly to remove the arm. Lower your control arm and work the strut downward. Now remove the Strutmasters conversion kit from its container. Be certain that the 3 nuts and washers plus the rubber isolator are present on the top